What go on, people? Thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. People, a long time I read some news, you know. A long time I hear some news, man. I know people ask, what going on Pattern News Network? I say, no, come out of the year now if you want there. I hear no more, look how much news are going on in Jamaica. Blah, blah, blah. People, we think of water and people run the station, eh? I want to run this. So you're going to say what going on right now. If you don't want to see some more news, now if you donate some money to the station, you see me? Because one of the don't even know is that I man not even work for a couple months well, you know. Actually, don't even know. A bag juice and everything, man, if you're still up on the roadside, you know. People, the station in a bag. Yeah? Don't for me, people them know what. Sorry, people. Producer, for me, the people them know what going on. People, hear me say, no? If you don't want to see some news run every day, you need to donate some money to the station. The station in a shambles, right? Look how I sweat. No, look at AC in a station, people. Yeah, people, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to do a little weekend round-up thing. You see me? Because Pattern News Network, no one for giving the news in our unique way, you see me? So what we're going to do is that every weekend we're going to round up a really go on Jamaica, because you don't get news, but you don't get news like this. We're going to do it every weekend, make you know really go on Jamaica and all the things set. You see me? So, producer, I don't know what I'm throat dry, man. I can't talk to people, I dry throat. Oh. Stop use teleprompter now, people. I laptop the thing there. In the news we are going now. Yeah, people, thanks so far back to the network. We know so not leave it. Yeah. So we're giving the headlines right now, people. What go on in the week in Jamaica, people. I'm making you know what go on Pattern News Network style. So right now, people, we're talking about the COVID-19 cases. Then we have 47,150 cases in the country, people. Yeah, all of them they are recovered cases. We don't know how much of them. Producer, how much people recover from the COVID? But we need to have that information, then we can't tell the people say 47,000 people have COVID. Cannot true that. Sorry, people, must I confirm, so yeah. People don't know how much people recover, but we know say 47,000 cases in the country, right? 838 people dead people. A whole lot of people I take it serious, people. People. COVID-19 is not a joke thing. You're not going to right now. So one of the people them do what you need to do. You see me? What you need to do? What you need to do, wear the mask and stop each up back at people and go to the supermarket and them thing there. There's some people, some breathing room. What I do? Next thing is people. One of the people that travel from fine and I come Jamaica and I go to the hotel. You need to go easy, you know. You need to go easy. Think when also they are partying and them sitting there on party boat and boat a turn over, you know. When you turn over a boat, they make sure you're not Jamaican and they're on the boat them. Can you come out with no foolishness? We don't want it. Go back on the country with the COVID-19 and them something. They left the country alone. Yeah, people, next thing on the headline, people, this is the hottest thing we're going on in the country for the week. Hottest thing. Anywhere in Jamaica, you know. Matter of fact, if they are fine, you know, they go on to Jamaica. In a Waterloo Road. Matter of fact, on a Waterloo with name no more. A Shooting Loo Road. Shooting Loo Road, people, they have a barrage, a shooting. What day? And we're going to make you know, say, your Pattern News Network is up on the scene to make you know what really are going on. Check this out, people. People, I feel like it's a Western I watch. Like I'm still in a movie. I feel like I'm still in a Caribbean I watch a movie, people. This is serious. And right now I know so them criminals never dare gonna escape. Them commit a crime, people might try escape in our Axia. Is it Axia? But make you know say your Pattern News is up on the scene fully out there. Whenever they're gonna be so on this, so I make sure so we're up on the scene. And we have a few interviews that we want to make you know see on them something. Pattern News is up on the scene, people. Some things, some exclusive one never see. This is our first interview with the Bridge we're up on the scene and we're making you know what really good on. Watch our interview.
Yes, I'm going to listen to me, King the King. And this is not a joke thing. And I found out to Waterloo Road with I igloo, selling I juice, I water, like Irish mash and peanut and those things. Now me already sit up on the sidewalk. As me say, we out there a sell. We're not looting, we're not lightering, we're not doing those things. So I look up there and I see a bag of police. So I take out the liquor spliff tail out that I am out that I was smoking. By the time I return again, me a bam 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 bam. So me already jump on the ground and we start rolling. Now as me say, me see police, me not see gunman, so me don't know who I shoot. So me not get up and go lose like Soul King.
Producer, what is my watch? I can't really talk. Sorry people, sorry. But people, I can't really interview that. come in the bus this. The man full of rhymes, so he's an artist. And next gully back, the man said I was rolling. Sorry about that, people. As I say, Pattern News Network, we all about the professionalism and them thing there, you see me? So right now we have some serious information for going to people. People, Pattern News Network are the only network where find the police officer where they back of the car where everybody make memes and them thing about people. No other network could have do that. So we have the police officer in a studio right now and just want to clear up his name and them thing there. So we have got right team right now, people. Watch this.
So I was coming from the Trafalgar intersection and I received a call that there were some vehicles in breach of the Road Safety Act. And I was making my way onto Waterloo Road to see about these vehicles. Now, when I got to Waterloo Road, I was met with a barrage of gunshots, a barrage of gunfire. But as a traffic officer and fulfilling my duty as a traffic officer, I noticed two things. Now I want Jamaica to look at this video. This video has been circulating a lot and people have made many misconceptions and many misinformation has been going about this video. Now I want you to look at this video keenly. Now as you will see, I dropped my bike behind this car when I see the first gunshot fire. What you will not realize is this. I'm a very keen traffic officer, you know, and I saw immediately that this vehicle had an expired registration. I saw this vehicle had an expired registration. The registration was expired from January. This vehicle should not be on the road. So I blocked this vehicle, right? That's the first thing that I did. Now the next vehicle, this is a vehicle where people now were wondering why I was ducking down and all these things, right? First of all, we'll never see when the bullet chinks off of my helmet. A bullet chinks off of my helmet, and there are two things you learn in the force. The first thing is, it is called a duck and look. Now the duck and look is where you have to duck down and look for the bullet that chinks. Wherever the bullet chinks off, you have to look and find out where the bullet fall. So I was looking around to see where the bullet was. So I want the Jamaican people to know that if you stop sending around this video, stop sending around the video. Stop saying only me in them and making me look bad, because people make me tell them, you know, I'm struggling, people are struggling, having a hard time in my community and at home, you know. I'm having a hard time even in the force. Them calling me belly, and it's not because of the size of my belly presently. Them calling me belly because them say me ever run. People, it is not funny anymore. So I want to thank again Pattern News Network for the opportunity. And I will just oversee the two cars that I saw outside with registration expired. We can talk about that off here.
Yo, the man same name Belly. Can't remember road. Sorry about that, people. As you know, Pattern News Network, we're all about the professionalism and them thing there. We're not making a joke about the people. A serious thing. We need to stop take the officer name and not tarnish it and them thing there. The man stress out. People not stress out the man. Left him man alone. You see me? Yeah, people, thanks for following back to the network. I'm going to do some sports right now. People, on one piece of sports everybody are focused on in Jamaica right now, and that's a champ. Producer. That don't make no sense. No champs. But I don't see on the screen right, I say it's a champ. I can't. You'll be that. Sorry about that, people. Them say a champ for real. Them take off the S card, them say no spectator never nice stand. So a champ. Yeah, people, so we want to big up the two schools and win boys and girls champ. And that's a Edwin Allen for the girls side. And for the boys side is a college. Which college? I know the Kingston one. Yeah, people, next thing are going on this a week of people. And those Jamaica things are going on, people. Things are going on in the world. The biggest thing are going on right now is a serious war going on between Israel and Palestine, people. Big war are going on. But you don't know, it's a Pattern News Network of people everywhere. No, we're not stone and turn people. Everywhere we have somebody. So right now we have one of our people them in Gaza, right now up on the strip. And I'm going to give you an update as to what are going on in the Middle East, people. So now check this out, people.
John, or brother, you don't even know, papi. Brother, you don't even know. I was a night man after what I'm youth. I'm tired of them people I'm a youth. Yo, you man say no man, them not pay me enough for do this, brother. Brother, may I say it long time? Yo, pass that thing there, give me now. Pass me light again.
Oh, yo, what going on this? What going on this? Sorry about that, people. The wrong feed that definitely not the right feed we get people. But we not have him back. Yeah, people, we have the right feed, I know, people.
I don't want to say a while ago, but I like a joke, man. I like a joke. That's like a joke, Aaron, you know. But yeah, my report for PNN News, I'm on the Gaza right now, and just to make you know I'm going on the Gaza.
When you say Pani Gaza, what do you mean when you say Pani Gaza? You're there at Gaza, as in
yeah,
Middle
I'm
East?
there Gaza, I'm there at Portmore. Palestine, Middle East. Brother, I don't even have a passport. What? Hello?
Sorry
Hello?
about that, people. Sorry about that.
Hello?
Pattern News Network, a standard we are dealing with people, and that's not the standard. That's not the standard at all. Sorry about that. Yeah, people, just want to thank you for staying at Pattern News Network. Don't know, so we are getting news every week if we can, but send some donations. Send in some money. We can know so on a love news. You see me? Thanks so far about the news network. Big up on yourself. You're done.